Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that's sure to boost your entrepreneurial journey. We'll be talking about how business owners can be victorious using the law of attraction. I'm your host from Growth Minds, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our business tips and insights with the help of the law of attraction and manifestation. The law of attraction is a concept that holds that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative incidents in a person's life. It is based on the belief one can manifest their objectives and achieve success. Using the law of attraction as a business owner can have a significant impact on their entrepreneurial journey. Here's a full explanation, as well as illustrations, of how they could be successful in using the law of attraction. The law of attraction is all about using positive thinking and beliefs to attract success and riches. And believe me when I say that as a business owner, this can make a major impact on your entrepreneurial path. Here's an in-depth explanation, as well as a few illustrations, of how they can be victorious using the law of attraction. 1. Positive thinking. Positive thinking is the core of the law of attraction. Successful business owners should visualize their goals, visualize themselves succeeding and believes in their abilities to overcome obstacles. By focusing on positive outcomes, they attract opportunities and solutions that align with their vision. Example: a business owner envisions his or her company becoming a market leader and firmly believes in the worth of their items. This positive attitude motivates them to work hard, offer their products confidently, and attract loyal customers and investors. 2. Clear goals and intentions. It is important to establish clear, specific, and achievable goals. Consider your goals to be the guiding star for the business you run. When business owner knows exactly what they want to achieve, the law of attraction works best. This clarity allows you to generate the desired results and align yourself with the proper opportunities and partners. Example: suppose a business owner wants to boost revenue by 30% in the coming quarter. They outline the tactics and steps necessary to attain this goal, and their focused intention connects the appropriate opportunities and alliances to make it happen. 3. Visualization and affirmations. Visualizing success and repeating positive affirmations helps to program the subconscious mind. It strengthens the belief in achieving the desired outcomes, builds confidence, and keeps the business owner motivated during difficult times. Another effective tool is visualization. Imagine yourself already achieving your goals, whether it's closing the big deal, expanding your firm, or gaining a dedicated customer base. To attract success, visualize positive reactions and outcomes. For example, before delivering a critical business presentation, the owner visualizes the audience's positive reactions, imagines the sale is done, and repeats affirmations such as, "I am capable, confident, and deserving of success." 4. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is the key to an abundant mindset. Take a minute each day to be grateful for what you have, whether it's your hardworking team, your loyal clients, or the success you've accomplished so far. This grateful mindset invites greater achievement and opportunity. Expressing gratitude for current achievements and blessings attracts more positive experiences. Being appreciative turns the focus from lack to abundance, resulting in an abundant mindset and the attraction of additional success. 5. The law of reciprocity. The law of attraction interconnects giving and receiving. A business owner who provides value, assistance, and kindness to people attracts the same in return. Be willing to share your knowledge and assist others in your field. The law of attraction operates on the principle of reciprocity, which means that by giving, you will automatically receive more in return. For example, the business owner offers free webinars, smart blog entries, and useful materials to their target audience. As a result, they build a devoted following and a large customer base, which they reciprocate by spreading the word about their company. 6. Eliminating limiting beliefs. It is of the utmost importance to identify and release limiting beliefs. Negative ideas such as failure fear, self-doubt, and imposter syndrome hinder success. By letting go of these beliefs, company owners create more opportunities for themselves. It is critical to identify and release negative beliefs such as fear of failure or self-doubt. When you break free from these chains, you will be open to new opportunities. 7. Adaptability and resilience. The law of attraction does not promise a smooth journey. Challenges will arise, but what distinguishes successful business owners is their ability to adapt and remain resilient. In the face of adversity, a successful business owner stays adaptable and resilient, viewing setbacks as chances for growth and learning. Example: when confronted with unanticipated supply chain disruptions, a business owner quickly reacts by purchasing from alternative suppliers and using this experience to build a more robust supply chain system. 8. Surrounding oneself with positivity. Surrounding yourself with positivity is a game changer. The people we connect with have an influence on our thoughts and energies. Successful business owners seek like-minded individuals, mentors, or mastermind groups to maintain a positive and growth-oriented environment. The positive energy and support will amplify your collective success. For business entrepreneurs, the law of attraction can be a powerful tool. They attract the proper opportunities and experiences that lead to success in their business path by establishing a positive mindset, setting clear goals, visualizing success, practicing gratitude, and embracing adaptability. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow entrepreneurs. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay positive and keep attracting success.